Be given a bit of time.
Enough with the lies. Your clients are the abductors. Go tell them to produce the second petitioner in court. Enough with the lies. You must stop the abductions. You must stop extrajudicial killings. We will not come here to listen to your stories. You have abducted someone. His family is crying, and you are here telling us stories. Enough is enough. Extrajudicial killings and disappearances must end now. We must stop this madness. We must stop these evil things you are doing to us. It is not right to abduct someone and not present them to court. And you are here telling us stories about... Let me speak. I will sit down. This is not right. Why should they abduct someone and instead of producing them to court, they come here to start telling us stories about, I don't know, my client did this. Your client what? Then what are we supposed to do? If the people who are supposed to protect us have turned out to be the greatest threat to our security.
Can we proceed, Council?
Yes. I appeared before you yesterday, Your Lordship, and in line, or rather in compliance with your directions, pursuant to this order dated the 30th June 2025, I confirm, Your Lordship, that indeed I complied with your direction and order number 1 and 2. I did file a replying affidavit. The same is dated 30th June 2025. To that extent, Your Lordship,
Sworn
on 30th June 2025.
Understand.
And served, filed, Your Lordship, I believe it is in the court file. So to that extent, Your Lordship, I want to believe that your order of 30th June 2025 has been partially complied, Your Lordship. What you have not been able to comply, Your Lordship, with is part of Order 5, which directed that my clients do produce the second petitioner in court today. Your Lordship, in our affidavit dated 30th June 2025, we have given an account of the action taken by the respondents, Your Lordship, in particular the second respondent. The affidavit is sworn on oath, Your Lordship.
So in the affidavit you have done what?
You have been able to give an account of what happened that resulted into the application that is now before you. And Your Lordship, at paragraph 20, my clients, Your Lordship, have confirmed that they did not arrest the second petition. And so, Your Lordship, the second petitioner is not in the hands of my clients, neither is in their custody. It is in the interest of both the petitioners and my clients that the whereabouts of the second petitioner be established, and the investigation is ongoing. Your Lordship, with your permission, if I may, I have looked at the further affidavit, and at paragraph 8 of that particular affidavit, the CEO of our society, Law Society of Kenya, has indeed confirmed, without tabling evidence, that the second petitioner was picked by the respondents. Your Lordship, the nature of this application is that, Your Lordship,
So which affidavit have you looked at?
there is an affidavit that have been served this morning
Give it a name.
It is a further, is a supplementary affidavit sworn by Florence Muturi, dated today. Paragraph 8, Your Lordship. The one Florence Muturi indicates that the second petitioner was picked by my client, Your Lordship. There is no evidence that have been produced in this court, Your Lordship, that indeed the second petition was picked by my client. Your Lordship, the nature of this application is that he who alleges must prove. Section 107 of the Evidence Act, Your Lordship, demands that counsels appearing for the first and second petitioner do convince this court that indeed they saw, or rather they witnessed, and confirmed that my clients, in particular the second respondent, did pick the petitioner. Short of that, Your Lordship, this court, I beseech, should give my clients an opportunity to conclude the investigation so that the second petitioner, Your Lordship, can actually be arrested, because we want to believe a complaint was made. And when my clients visited the apartment,
Is that on oath or you are speaking from the back?
Your Lordship, that is in my affidavit.
Which paragraph?
This is a paragraph, Your Lordship, this is at paragraph paragraph 4 of the affidavit, Your Lordship. There is an OB that was registered. Paragraph 4 of our affidavit, where we confirm that the second petitioner was under investigation for his involvement. They just concluded demonstration, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, if you look at paragraph 14, it's clearly indicated that as at the time my clients visited the apartment of one Ndiangui Kinyagia, the gentleman was not at his apartment. He had left. The caretaker has also confirmed that the gentleman left in the company of two other unknown ladies, Your Lordship. Their identities
Where
was
do you
not
get
disclosed. This is at paragraph 14 of my affidavit, Your Lordship.
That is the deponent stating.
Yes,
It's not the caretaker.
yes, Your Lordship.
Yeah.
The caretaker, I'm aware, Your Lordship, the caretaker is not present.
No,
But-
it's not the caretaker stating. It is the deponent.
Yes, Your Lordship, but
So-
part of this
So
information.
that I record you
Yes,
retain information
yes.
as it is, rather than attributing it that it is the caretaker speaking, because the caretaker has no affidavit here.
Yes, Your Lordship, this
So
is
it
the
is the
statement of
different
Samuel
stating
Itegi. Yes.
That information is from the caretaker.
Your Lordship, if part of it, because when my client
I've
visited,
read that bit.
yes, because when my client visited, they did not find the petitioner, the second petitioner. So this information, they retrieved it from the caretaker, Your Lordship.
Yes.
That's why it is.
So that is according to the deponent.
Yes, Your
That's what the caretaker said.
Yes, that's the
It's
position.
not the caretaker saying.
Yes. So, Your Lordship, this necessitated my clients to break into that particular apartment. And, Your Lordship, an inventory
So who
of
broke in?
my clients that is the second respondent.
No, they were present.
Yes, they were present.
The officers.
Yes,
IG was present.
the DCI. Yes, Your Lordship. That is the second respondent.
You said to your clients
Yes, Your Lordship. I am here for the first to the sixth respondents.
So
Yes.
I'm trying to get the names of those who are present. Because you said your clients were present.
Yes.
So who are these?
Your Lordship, Samuel Itegi was present, who the one was on this affidavit, Your Lordship, among others that have not been identified.
Remember,
Yes.
we are in court
Yes.
with specific people
Yes.
who are named.
To that
Those are the
extent,
people you
Your Lordship,
represent.
can we retain it at the second
You
respondent?
know, I should be recording you and not misrecording you. You understand?
Yes.
So when you say your clients were there, number one is IG. Number two is DCI. So they were present.
Yes, Your Lordship.
They were present.
Yes. Then as such,
Yes.
And Your Lordship-
Just a minute. IG, DCI. Who else?
the officers, Your
The
Lordship,
CS.
Your Lordship, so that we are clear, Your Lordship, these are the officers for the first and second respondents who were present, Your Lordship.
I have no problem.
Yes, if we put it as Your Lordship, it's being recorded. The Inspector General Police in person did not visit, but the officers did visit.
You know,
Yes.
it depends on how you want us to record you. So if you say your clients were present, these are your clients.
Yes, and I have narrowed down, Your Lordship, to the second respondent.
So the DCI was present.
Yes, officers of the second respondents. In particular, one is indicated here as Samuel Itegi. Your Lordship, when they broke in, an inventory has already been taken, was taken, Your Lordship, and it is annexed to number 1 of my affidavit, and all the items that were collected have also been itemized there. Your Lordship, it is for that reason that we believe the second respondent is still pursuing the second petitioner so that he can answer to some of the concerns that the second respondent raised, Your Lordship. The second petitioner, Your Lordship, I wish to confirm before this honorable court that is not in the custody of either of the respondent. It is now very difficult, Your Lordship, for order number 3 to be complied with. Order number 5, Your Lordship, directing that the second petitioner be produced in the court, Your Lordship, because my clients, Your Lordship, and I insist, do not have the
Do
second
not
petition.
insist in court.
Yes,
An advocate. You persuade the court.
Your Lordship, I persuade this court.
So if you are insisting, they will insist. And
Your Lordship,
then
there are many. I am not expecting a lot from them.
let me conclude.
Yes, Your Lordship.
If you take that route, they will insist, and the next thing we will have an exchange. So in court, we don't insist, we try to persuade.
Your Lordship, I stand guided and I want to believe, Your Lordship, I have persuaded this honorable court because we are all here to seek justice and for the.
So what do you want us to do? As you say you do not have him.
Your Lordship, according to the affidavit that I filed yesterday, the investigations are still ongoing. We are still pursuing the petition. We can be given more time for us to actually investigate.
Are you looking for him or you are pursuing him?
We are
Those are
looking,
two different things.
Your Lordship, as I indicated, if you look at paragraph 4, a complaint was also made.
Mr. Marwa, the deponent is speaking. Now you are in court presenting.
Yes, my client.
So if you have to use his words, it will make a difference. So what are you asking the court to do for now?
The court should give us more time, Your Lordship.
So are you looking for him or you are pursuing him? You know the difference.
Your Lordship, we are looking for the petition, the second petitioner. Let me put it as that. Yes. Your Lordship, that is all, Your Lordship. I request that at this point, Your Lordship, my clients be given